Hi there. So today I thought I will talk about a moisturizer that can really help you in the winter months if a lot of other moisturizers have failed for you. This is literally the mother of all moisturizers that I have used. But I don't use Avene Cicalfate as a moisturizer on my whole face. I use it on really chapped lips or dry flaky areas, and this does the job so beautifully. Here, take a look. I've spoken about it in a lot of other videos that I have really dry skin. After I went on acne treatment, which was isotretinoin several years back, I have been off ISO for like around 2 years now. My skin became really dry though. I'm really thankful I did ISO, no problem about that. But to deal with my dry, flaky skin, I sometimes needed something little extra. So this is where Avene Cicalfate comes in handy. Have any of you ever used it? And if you've used it, tell me if it worked for you. I wouldn't say this is a traditional moisturizer per se, but it is supposed to be a restorative cream. It can soothe really dry, sensitive, irritated, flaky areas, especially if you have applied any kind of tretinoin or any kind of actives and your skin is flaking and you need like a quick problem solver. I think Avene Cicalfate really does the job. See, now I really like Avene. I love some of their sunscreens. Some of their sunscreens are not so great. Some of them are really good. But I have had really great experience with Avene Cicalfate. I have made a video about it before as well, but I realized during the winter months when a lot of my other moisturizers were repeatedly failing, there were cracked areas around my eye, there were cracked areas around my mouth. Avene really came in handy. What else? It's fragrance free. It has Avene's thermal spring water. It has a copper and zinc complex that really helps your skin feel soothed and calmed. It is easily available on Nykaa, at pharmacies, online, etc. But it was a challenge finding it at one point of time. Nowadays, I think you can easily spot it. The thing is, it's around 1600 for 40 ml. I think. As I said before, I don't use it as a moisturizer all over my face. I use it for dry, flaky areas. So this lasts for about 6 months or so, and that's the period after opening. You have to ditch it after 6 months. So I make it last for 6 months. So I buy it like twice a year. Lip balms don't do the job. This does the job for me. This is like a beautiful multi-purpose cream for me, and I think if a lot of other creams have failed for you, and if you have dry skin, of course, you have to check with your dermatologist. But you can give Avene Cicalfate a try because it's really amazing. You know, if you have tried it already or if you're interested in trying it, and for any other questions, drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, pretty please. Bye.